You may have noticed that sometimes an app or watch face does not work anymore, or even a message does not go through, or suddenly you don't receive any notifications when everything was fine before, and the list goes on. And many issues can simply be checked and fixed via your wearable app for your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. However, hang on, the wearable app for your Galaxy Watch is not really that deep, and it is very limited when it comes to this capability. So if you have any problems as just described, please do the following. Please take your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, open up your main screen, go to your app shelf and open up settings. On this note, if you still love your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5 as much as we do, check out the Crisp, which is really our way of sponsoring our own YouTube channel. Free shipping worldwide, and every single item is made to order just for you. Once settings is open, go down to privacy, open up privacy. Here you will find two options: permission manager and customization service. Please open permission manager. Samsung has that default option whereby it just simply removes the permission for apps that you have not been using frequently. But hang on, here's the thing. This option also causes issues that you simply couldn't foresee sometimes. Like here, you can see that I have 3 apps that are not working properly anymore due to not using them frequently, and this can be checked and changed right here, right now. The other interesting part really is when you go back to the main menu of the permission manager, you will find a whole bunch of permissions that are either allowed for apps or not. And here, this is where the problem could be. Simple example is contacts. You can see that one messaging service does not have permission assigned to it. Well, it will then simply not work. And the same is for everything else you can see here, like for physical activity or something as simple as your watch face, which can be found all the way down, and that option is called additional permission. If your desired watch face does not have permission for certain complication data, well, then it will also not work properly, and it will not display your complications and or update them accordingly as you would basically expect. I hope I earned your subscription today for this simple trick, because this really could solve a lot of issues you may have. So thank you for watching, and once again, check out our store, which is pretty awesome quality. Thank you for watching. Peace out.